Hi, today from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're going to cook vegetable rice paper roll. So we're going to use rice paper and make vegetarian rice roll with mushroom, vegetarian pork slice, and cat ear or pig ear. We also use rice vermicelli. It made with bean thread. We soak it overnight. Vegetarian pork slice, wood ear mushroom, rice vermicelli, and some mushroom. So we prepare the pork slice first, and the rest is easy. So in order for it to do that, just shred it really good with your finger. It's a tofu product. They are edible right away, but we need to season it to make it taste good. Because it's thick pieces, so you need to just peel them like that first to make it smaller, and then go into and make it like shred it with your finger. So it's only like 6 pieces, but look at, you turn it so much meat over there. You're going to use a scissor to make them into bite sizes. I like meat, I like pork, I like beef, chicken, but I also, once in a while, I like to make tofu. They come in many different forms. And then we're going to chop these. Chop the rest of the ingredient. This is the rice vermicelli. It's like a bean thread vermicelli. Cat ear or pig ear or woody mushroom. They're the same name for the same thing. The brown thing right here. The brown mushroom right there you see. Another word for it is black fungus. They have so many names for the same ingredient. We make them small so it's easy to buy anything. We need to chop them so it's easy to put in the roll and also easy to buy. And also for the mushroom, these are shiitake mushroom. It's dry form, then I just soak it. Mushroom, there's 3-4 kinds is in the back you can get called mixed mushroom. You can eat them too, they are ready to eat. They dry and season the mushroom already for that. But you can also reconstitute the mushroom in water, soak it, and then they become like this again. And this is your ingredient to make the vegetable spring roll. You can do it either way. You can eat it raw, rice paper can be fried, deep fried, can be just stir fry, and can be eaten in the form of like a spring roll, which is just dip in water and use it, okay? These are pickled carrot we make. Put them in. That's how much carrot you want in there. So now you turn it on high. You start seasoning it. First of all, you will want to put some oil in here, 2 tablespoons. And after that, you seasoning with salt, some pepper, half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of garlic. There's one big piece of carrot there. We can eat it later. 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. You can warm everything up. Stir around, turn it off. Let it cool and then we can roll it, okay? So the filling is cool now, so what we do is we're going to wrap them. So what I do, I'm going to get a wet towel and another wet towel, so we can kind of doing 2 at once, okay? So we get a piece of this. Oh, it broke, so the rice paper, it broke, so it's okay. We just do them like that. We glue them later, they glue it back on. And then the other one, we put it on top. And then we start wrapping the first one, okay? Flour ready or oil so we don't get it sticky. Also, you can use the oil too to oil this area so it's not too sticky. We're gonna make a first roll. Okay, so what you do now is you roll them like that first. Your rolls are ready. And then you pull the other one over and use this one. Can roll it that way too. Make it firm. Moist the paper first. Put the second sheet on top. And then start rolling it. If it's dry, it has to roll it break, just add more water. It's very sticky. When it water in, it's sticky. Okay, we'll make a different roll for it so we can fry as well. It's broke, doesn't matter. If it breaks like that, just leave it there, they'll glue itself together. Okay, this we're going to roll it into a different shape. If you look at it, stick together already. So we're going to roll it into a different shape. Anything that you feel it's sticky, just put some oil on it. You know, it's good for it too, so just put it there. You can fry these, and you also can eat it by itself, so I'll show you two ways to do it. You can deep fry it, but too much oil, so I just prefer to just, the first layer of it is good enough. Turn the heat on to high. These roll, all of these can be eaten like that. But we fry some of them so you can serve it two ways. So we're going to make sauce and get it ready. We'll make it while waiting for the oil to warm up this pan, okay? Just put some sugar in here. Brown sugar, regular sugar, just a tablespoon like that. 3 tablespoons of water. What you do is microwave it to dissolve this. Put on here. 30 seconds, warm up, you can finish your sauce right now. What you do, these, just put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Yeah, your sauce is complete, ready to eat. You see a bubble where the chopsticks are? That one is ready. So all you do is drop it in. And roll it over so it got all the oil around it. Okay, the recipe will eat them like that. This is a summer roll. When it's fried, then it won't be like sticky to each other anymore. Now it's still not completely fried, so it's still sticky. Once the oil touch it, it won't be. You can deep fry, but I don't want a lot of oil. Just roll it around till it gets the oil it needed. And to warm up the inside of it. Okay, if you want it to be brown, just brush some egg on it. And then, you don't like egg, you can brush turmeric water on it too. Make a little bit turmeric with water. And these are pretty much done already. Okay, so we're going to turn that off. Stir to dissolve all of the sugar that you put in there. And then put a little bit of red chili flake, just a little bit. Add a little bit of homemade pickled carrot. This is our version, one side. Our version, the other side. And our version, both sides. With no egg, with egg. That is our complete dishes for today. Hope you're happy and healthy.